Here we go. We are now in Indian Pines. It's in Ocala. It's a great little neighborhood. No HOA, which makes it kind of neat. You got a double car garage and a third parking space. You got some river rock down here, kind of takes you back to the backyard. The whole backyard, wait till you see it, is one of my favorite parts of this building because it sure shows so much of what's going on. Check out this lit glass entry door. Cathedral ceilings throughout. They've upgraded the vinyl plank flooring. Got yourself a coat closet. Look at me. Lots of room, real spacious, wide open, upgraded window dressings, gas fireplace. We're going to start on this side. Walk through the laundry room to the garage. Master suite. Big walk-in closet. Nice master bath. We're going to take a walk in there and it'll show you a nice walk-in shower. Double sink vanities. A lot of colonial molding. The colonial door panel doors. We're walking into the kitchen next. Nice kitchen. Lots of cabinets. Gas stove. Extra burner in the center. Really nice. Dinner. Double. Stainless steel. Fire. Excuse me. Split lid on this house. So your master suite's on one side. And your two bedrooms are off on the other side. You're going to walk on in each of those bedrooms. And then we have a really nice bath with a closet. Linen closet, double linen closet. That's pretty cool. Granite in the bath, tile all the way up. Lighter fans throughout. Again, the window dressings come with it. Nice wainscot. Now it needs a little bit of cleaning, but you get your opportunity to make it look like your own. We don't have here because my favorite part of the house is out there. Great big open area, family room, another leaded glass door, pass through so you can have a party pass through. Nice covered porch. Now this is my favorite. Look how spacious this backyard is, and it's all fenced. This is a 12 by 32 workshop. You can do all kinds of cool stuff. And I think it's imagine that baby's climbing up that tree. Check out inside of here. Now remember, you got to download your property information package. Understand that there's a 10% buyer's permit after the high bid creates the contract price. We're going to do the earnest money deposit, cash closing on or before 30 days, as is non-contingent. That's really quick, but definitely look at the property information package because there's a lot of data there.